Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove a shadow ban from your TikTok account. Let's get started. If you have noticed a sudden drop in views on your TikTok videos, going from thousands to just a few hundred, your account might be shadow banned. But don't worry, there is a simple way to fix it. First, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you find Report a Problem and tap on it. At the bottom of the page, you will see an option that says Chat with us. Tap on it to start a support request. Now send a simple message explaining your issue. For example, "Hello, I believe my TikTok account has been shadow banned. I usually get around 5,000, 7,000 views per video, but recently my views have dropped to under 300. I have not violated any community guidelines, so I would appreciate it if you could review my account and lift any restrictions. Thank you." Once you send the message, TikTok's support team will review your case. If your account meets the criteria, they will remove the shadow ban, and your views should go back to normal. And that's it. Now you know how to remove a shadow ban from your TikTok account.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.